Good morning, students. Welcome back to the journal. Students, as you all know, in last lecture, we have completed chapter number 2, isn't it? Students, today we are going to start the new chapter, that is chapter number 7, Climate and Adaptation. Okay, students, so chapter number 7, that is Climate and Adaptation, that is given to you on page number 85. Page number 85. Open page number 85. The name of the textbook is Science Horizon by Oxford School Education. Okay, students, so let us start. Pay attention in your textbook. Climate. So what is a climate? The weather of a place over a long period of time, several decades, is called a climate. Climate means it is a weather for a decades, for a long period of time. It is known as a climate. So you can observe the climate, weather around you. What is the weather? Okay, so weather means it is a sunny day. Is it a cloudy day? It is raining or not? What is the temperature? Atmosphere is cloudy. So that is all included in weather. And the weather, and what is the climate? Climate means weather for a long period of time. Okay, so if the weather is for a long period of time, several decades, it is known as a climate. And you know, weather varies from time to time, isn't it? Okay, so now next is factors affecting the climate of the earth. So what are the factors that affect the climate of the earth? The climate of the place depends on many factors, first and foremost of which is the location and nature of the earth. So climate of the place, if we are talking about the climate of any place, okay, if we are talking about the climate of any place, then the location of that place is the first most factor that will affect the climate. ठीक है, अब अगर हम कोई भी प्लेस के क्लाइमेट के बारे में बात करें तो वो प्लेस कहाँ पे है, कौन सी लोकेशन पे है, it will decide the climate of that particular place. Okay, for example, I talk to you about North India. North India आपको पता है हिमालयस वहाँ पे हैं, तो हिमालयस और वो पूरा क्लाइमेट वहाँ ज़्यादातर क्या होता है, ठंडा होता है, कूल होता है, क्योंकि हिमालयस जो है उसका पोजीशन वहाँ है, नॉर्थ में है. ठीक है, उसका लोकेशन वहाँ है. तो जो भी सराउंडिंग में प्लेसेस होंगी हिमालय नॉर्थ में जो भी प्लेसेस होंगी नॉर्थ इंडिया में वो कूल होंगी, है कि नहीं. सो लोकेशन डिटरमाइंस द क्लाइमेट ऑफ एनी प्लेस. एंड व्हाट इज क्लाइमेट? क्लाइमेट मीन्स वेदर ऑफ एनी प्लेस for long period of time. लंबे समय तक किसी भी जगह का वेदर, उसे हम क्या कहेंगे? क्लाइमेट. ओके. एंड सेकंड फैक्टर that climate depends upon is nature of the earth. Okay, so first is climate will depend on location, and second it will depend on nature of the earth. So these are the two factors. So let us see the distance from the earth. Okay students, so next is the distance from the earth. The distance of the distance from sun, it is distance from sun. Okay students, the distance of the earth from the sun is one of the major factors that determines the climate on the earth. What determines the climate on the earth? The distance of earth from sun. अर्थ का डिस्टेंस सन से कितनी दूर है, कितना नियर है या कितना दूर है, वो क्या डिसाइड करेगा? नेचर ऑफ क्लाइमेट ऑन अर्थ. अर्थ पे कैसा क्लाइमेट रहेगा वो किस पे डिपेंडेंट है? अर्थ जो है कितना दूर या कितना नजदीक है, किससे? सन से. सेकेंड पॉइंट, सन इज द मेन सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी इन अवर सोलर सिस्टम. डेट वी ऑलरेडी नो. सन इज द मेन सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी. ठीक है, हीट एनर्जी की बात करें या लाइट एनर्जी की बात करें, हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? सन से. तो इसीलिए सन इज द मेन सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी ऑन द अर्थ, isn't it? It is about 1.39 million kilometer, 1.39 million kilometer in diameter. ठीक है, डायमीटर की बात करें तो कितना है वो? 1.39 मिलियन किलोमीटर इन डायमीटर. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सन. हाँ, सन इज 1.39 मिलियन किलोमीटर इन डायमीटर. यू नो व्हाट इज डायमीटर? सपोज दिस इज अ सर्कल, then this half part, this whole part is known as a diameter. And if we take a half of this half, diameter का आधा क्या होता है? रेडियस, r. अगर पूरी बात करें तो उससे पूरे को क्या बोलते हैं? डायमीटर. तो सन का डायमीटर कितना है? 1.39 मिलियन किलोमीटर इन डायमीटर. Big nuclear reactions occur in the sun, converting hydrogen into helium, which generate a large amount of energy, making the sun very bright and very hot. So students, why sun is very bright and very hot? Students, big nuclear reaction takes place inside the sun. As a result, hydrogen gets converted into helium, releasing a lot of energy. Lot of heat and light energy is released during this nuclear reaction. ठीक है, सन के अंदर बहुत ही ज़्यादा न्यूक्लियर रिएक्शन होता है. उसकी वजह से क्या होगा? जो हाइड्रोजन है वो हाइड्रोजन किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है? हीलियम में. और साथ ही साथ लाइट एनर्जी, हीट एनर्जी भी ज़्यादा मात्रा में रिलीज होती है. ठीक है, तो इसीलिए सन इज वेरी हॉट. That is the reason, and it is also very bright. The temperature on the surface is about 5000 degrees Celsius. Temperature कितना है सन के यहाँ? 5000 degrees Celsius temperature. The core is much hotter. कोर का टेम्परेचर कितना है? 15 million degrees Celsius. The temperature of the core of the sun is 15 million degrees Celsius. The energy from the sun is radiated in all direction. ठीक है, जो भी एनर्जी है जरूरी नहीं है एक ही डायरेक्शन में रेडिएट होगी, चारों दिशाओं में सन जो है रेडिएट करेगा एनर्जी. All life forms on the earth depends on this heat and light for their survival. Life exists on earth because of sun. ठीक है, अर्थ में जो भी लाइफ है किसकी वजह से सर्वाइव कर रहा है? सन की वजह से. बिकॉज सन इज द मेन सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी. Our earth is third planet from the sun. सन से अर्थ कितने नंबर पे आता है? थर्ड पे। अर्थ इज थर्ड प्लैनेट फ्रॉम द सन। अबाउट कितना दूर है सन से अर्थ? अर्थ जो है 149.6 किलोमीटर मिलियन। So Earth is 149.6 kilometer millions away from it. The Earth itself is quite big. Its diameter is a little over 12,000 kilometer. The distance of the Earth from the Sun seems to be just right to be favorable for light to exist. If it was closer, it would have been too hot, and if it was farthest, it would have been too cold. यानी अर्थ का जो पोजीशन है सन से कितने नंबर पे आता है? थर्ड नंबर पे। तो वो पोजीशन करेक्ट पोजीशन है, उस पोजीशन की वजह से ही लाइफ जो है अर्थ पे एग्जिस्ट कर रही है। अगर बहुत दूर होता अर्थ जो है, अगर फिफ्थ पे सिक्स्थ पे होता, दूर होता, तो क्या होता? अर्थ पे ठंडक होती, कोल्डनेस ज़्यादा होती। अगर अर्थ जो है नज़दीक होता, क्लोज होता सन से, सपोज सेकंड नंबर पे होता, फर्स्ट नंबर पे होता, तो बहुत हॉटनेस ज़्यादा मिलती अर्थ को। सो वॉट एवर द पोजिशन इज गिवन टू द अर्थ, दैट इज थर्ड नंबर, इट इज द परफेक्ट and it is favorable for the life on the earth. Okay, I hope distance from the sun is clear to you. Now atmosphere of the earth. The composition and density of earth's atmosphere also affect the climate. So climate of the earth is also affected by earth atmosphere, density and composition. अर्थ के एटमॉस्फेयर की कितनी डेंसिटी है और कितना कंपोजिशन है, वो भी क्लाइमेट को अफेक्ट करेगा। सो स्टूडेंट्स, वंस अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग होल इंट्रोडक्शन. व्हाट इज क्लाइमेट? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, क्लाइमेट मीन्स द वेदर of a particular place over a decade. Decade means 10 years, several decades or several period of time, long period of time, then it is known as a climate. Okay, so that is a climate. Now second is, on what factors climate depends. So climate depends on the location of the place, where the place is located, and the nature of the earth. On these two factors the climate depends. Okay, now distance. Next topic is distance of earth from sun. What is the distance of earth from sun? Okay, so first line was, yes, distance of earth from sun also affect the climate of the earth, climate on the earth. Second point, you know, is sun is the main source of energy. Okay, life on the earth exists because of sun only. Third point is, sun is 1.39 million kilometer in diameter. Second, why sun is hot and bright? Sun is hot and bright because several nuclear reactions occurs inside the sun. As a result, several hydrogen elements get converted into helium, releasing a lot of heat energy and light energy. Okay, what is the temperature of the sun? It is 5000 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature of the core of the sun? It is 15 million degrees Celsius. Next comes, what is the position of earth from sun? So sun is located on third number from sun. Second thing, how much kilometer far it is? It is 149.6 million kilometer far from sun. And this position, this third position of earth from sun is a favorable position. If the sun was farther, means suppose it was at fourth and fifth position, then the earth will be cooler. And if it was close to the sun, means suppose it was first and second number, then it would be hotter. So this position, that is position number third, is the favorable position of earth. So students, I hope introduction is clear to you. Students, next topic is the earth tilt. That earth tilt we will see in the next lecture. Okay, so this whole topic you are supposed to write once, and if you are having any doubts, you can ask me. Till then, bye, take care.